A Slinky dipole uses the helical steel coils of the classic toy to create continuously loaded antenna, electrically lengthening the element while keeping its physical footprint very small. This makes it a popular DIY homebrew project when space is too tight for full-sized HF bands like 80 meter or 40 meter. Here are the advantages of Slinky dipole. It is highly compact. It drastically reduces the physical space needed, allowing you to fit a low band antenna inside an attic or a small room. Adjustable tuning. You can manually shift the resonant frequency by expanding or compressing the coils or by using alligator clips to short out specific turns. Stealth and portability. It is very easy to pack up for temporary operations or hide completely indoors. But it still has a lot of disadvantages. Low efficiency. The steel coils have much higher RF resistance than standard copper wire, meaning a significant amount of your transmit power is lost as heat. Mechanical instability. Slinkies are heavy and will sag under their own weight. They require a rigid non-conductive messenger line like paracord for support. If you use outdoors, wind will shift the coils, causing your SWR to fluctuate erratically. Narrow bandwidth. The high inductive loading results in a very narrow bandwidth, meaning you will almost certainly need an antenna tuner to work effectively across a full band. Corrosion. Uncoated steel toys will rust rapidly if exposed to the weather, making them poorly suited for permanent outdoor installations.